Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Toby Wonder. I am CEO and founder of Mainstream Academy, and basically on my channel I like to discuss crypto related topics. I like to talk about how to make money online. I'll start like talk about stuff like affiliate marketing and stuff like that. So basically that's what I discuss on my channel. So do well to stick to the video to the end and tell me and let me know if you like this type of content by liking and subscribing to the channel. But then let's get to the topic of today. So in recent times, I've been discussing crypto, most especially the Lunar Terra 2.0 and then the Lunar Classic, and also focused on Bitcoin because Bitcoin did a massive fall this period. And right now, I feel like a lot of coins are actually getting back their momentum and trying to come back up. Although right now on my chart, I still have a lot of red bubbles here. And let me explain why I have a lot of red bubbles on my screen. So I'm on cryptobubbles.net, and this particular site is where I come to get most of my crypto analysis and crypto data to know exactly what the current price of each coin in the market is, as you can see on my screen. So the red bubbles represent coins that are actually falling and losing their value, while the green bubbles represent coins that are gaining value and are on a bullish trend. Okay, so basically, as you can see, I have a lot of red bubbles here, and I also have a lot of not too much but at least significant levels of green bubbles here, unlike what I had on my screen a couple of weeks back. You understand, it was basically an all out red bubbles on my screen at that time. And then I want to show you guys, I want to give you guys like an updated info and updated data on exactly what is going on with most of the major coins, most especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then I also want to check out the Lunar Terra Classic and Lunar Terra 2.0 because that is still an important topic to discuss right now, considering what is going on in the market. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get straight to it. So let me look for Bitcoin right now. That's the crazy thing about cryptobubbles.com. You literally have to look for the coins. I think this is Bitcoin right here. Okay, so you can see according to my chart right here, Bitcoin is selling, one single Bitcoin is selling for $20,177 per pair. And from where we were as of last week, it's a progress because as of last 2 weeks, I think the market went as bad as going down the way down to $17,000 per BTC. And I'll show you guys that on CoinMarketCap. That's another site that I used to get crypto information. So you can see Bitcoin is currently on $20,000 right now, and compared to where it was a couple of weeks back, this is actually not that bad. Okay, so let me look for the ETH chart and show you guys. Okay, I think I want to take you guys straight to CoinMarketCap because I feel like CoinMarketCap is more indexed and I can easily search for the coin. Okay, but I think I have ETH right here. I think, okay, this is the Ethereum Classic basically. Okay, so let me just go straight to CoinMarketCap so I won't waste your time. Okay, here, this is ETH finally. Okay, you can see this is just crazy. You can see the numbers right now. ETH is currently selling for $1,134 per pair. Okay, so let's go straight to CoinMarketCap and let's see what is going on in that line. Okay, so I'll go to coinmarketcap.com. Sorry, coinmarketcap.com. Okay, so right here on CoinMarketCap, all I have to come and do is search for the coin I want to check out. So let me search for Bitcoin basically. Okay, so let's go to Bitcoin and let's see what the chart is doing. Okay, so as you can see, the price right now, this is Bitcoin price is selling for $20,000, $193. Okay, so this is 20,000 USD and then $193. And you can see the chart. You see that okay, there was a massive fall here, and then the market is in recovery and obviously doing better. Okay, this is today basically. Let me put the chart back to like a 1 month time frame so you guys can see a more better view. Okay, so you can see this coin right now, Bitcoin right now has been falling in recent time. You can see this is a very strong bearish trend, but I feel like there's a bit of consolidation at this point. Okay, so we really don't know if the market is going back up from this point or coming any further down. Okay, but for the record, the market has actually been as low as 17,000, as you can see here, 17,744, and that was around last month on the 18th. Okay, so basically it's been a crazy year for the crypto world. We've had like so much of coins doing so bad this year, and we hope to see coins actually gaining their weight and then giving us reasonable amount of profit rather than giving investors loss. Okay, so let me check on ETH. Okay, so let me check on the ETH charts right now. So this is the current price. It's selling for $1,134 per dollar per pair. Okay, and then let's go to the chart on the 1 month time frame. Okay, so on the 1 month time frame, you can see this is absolutely nothing different from the BTC chart. It's still a very strong bearish trend, and BTC actually controls most cryptocurrencies. Once we have a major fall on Bitcoin, it literally affects all other coins at the same time. So I feel like all these coins are actually taking part of the hit that is going on with Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is the king of all coins, and then I feel like it's the major drive of all cryptocurrencies. So you can see on my chart right here, it's a crazy bearish movement. We have the market falling down, and then let me try and zoom in, or let me reduce this to okay. So on the 7-day time frame, you can see the market coming all the way down here, and then we're having a little bit of movement up. Okay, so this is this is like a support zone or resistance zone basically. So I don't know if the market is going to come any further down, but let's see how it goes as time goes on, and we'll understand exactly what the market is going to do. All right, but with this said, let me quickly check on the Lunar Terra Classic and Lunar Terra 2.0. Okay, so Terra Classic good news is Terra Classic has actually erased 1 here. It used to be 0.0000. Okay, but right now we have 0.0001, which is good news for investors who probably invested this coin when it was already down, because for investors that invested in this coin some months back, they would still be in massive losses, because this coin is nowhere close to what it used to be. Okay, but there's a lot of movement coming here. If you check on the comment sections, you have a lot of people writing things about what is going to happen to this coin in the next couple of weeks and months, and everybody's been optimistic basically. Not everybody, but most people have been optimistic basically. So there's a lot to watch out for on this coin, and then we look to see what this coin will be doing in a couple of months. But let me go on 3-month time frame to show you guys how high this coin was before falling down. So you can see it traded at over $100 at some point. Okay, and right now it's just it's not even close to like 10 cents. You see, it's just crazy. Okay, now let's look at a more interesting topic, which is the Lunar Terra 2.0. Okay, and now mind you, Lunar Terra 2.0, I don't know if you've been following up with the channel, but in case you've not been following up with the channel, the Lunar Terra 2.0 was invented after the major crash happened with the Lunar Terra Classic. Okay, so the Lunar Terra 2.0 is like an immediate response on the crash that happened on Lunar Terra Classic. Okay, so now let's go to the chart, and I can tell you basically that this particular coin right now is also like losing value, because on launch date it was selling for around $19 per pair, but currently you can see on my screen it's selling for around $2.16 per pair, and it was as bad as $1.9 something per pair some days back, or some weeks back basically. But let's go to the chart. Okay, so you can see the chart. Let me go on the 1 month time frame, because I want to see. You can see on the 1 month time frame is also doing as bad as all major coins. Like this is something similar what we saw on the Bitcoin chart and then the ETH chart. Okay, so basically it's also falling, and you could see on the 1 month time frame it was around $5 at the beginning of the month, and right now it's here. Okay, so crazy. We hope to see that the market corrects itself very soon, and then we have all these coins coming back up. Okay, and like that, I pray investors are actually making money. The truth about the crypto market is this: if the coin is falling or if the coin is rising, there's high tendency that you can make profit if you hold the right position. Okay, but it's always much more easier to trade a bullish trend than to trade a bearish trend. Okay, so when the market is bullish, it's more profitable for investors than when the market is bearish. Okay, but then we'll discuss that in another video. I wanted to show you guys what was going on in the market with all major coins, and then this is what I have for you guys. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Please, if you like my kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We hope to see you again. Thank you very much.